All right, folks, I'm going to have a little fun this evening. Y'all can join in with me. We're going to do something truly crazy here. We're going to fill up this old washing machine with some flammable stuff and plenty of spray paint cans and whatever flammable whatever that I can find to throw in here. And we're going to blow this puppy up. Enjoy the show. All right, let's get it ready to blow.
I'm going to put some cardboard in here because cardboard board is hot. Get that in there. I don't need that much.
Well, let's see. Some wood chips. All right. Spray paint, sterno. Keep the can opener. What's that? Yeah, could use that. Yeah, might need that too. All right, here we go, everybody. Time to get things rolling. And we are going to pour that all in there. Make sure we got it completely drenched. That's going to be a heck of a show. Leaking out. That's going to be a heck of a show. All right, we're going to splash some of this in there. And close the lid and get the hell out of the way. All right, y'all, I am departing to a safe distance. See y'all later.